Today, I'm going to be talking about something that's really important to anyone who does business internationally, Airwallex. Airwallex is a financial technology company that allows you to send and receive money around the world. They offer a variety of services, including currency exchange, international payments, and business accounts. So, how many currencies are there in Airwallex? Well, the answer is a lot. Airwallex supports over 150 currencies, so you can send and receive money to and from almost anywhere in the world. Now, you might be wondering why it's important to know how many currencies are there in Airwallex. Well, there are a few reasons. Currency exchange. If you're sending or receiving money internationally, you'll need to convert it from one currency to another. Airwallex offers competitive exchange rates, so you can save money on your transactions. International payments. Airwallex makes it easy to send and receive money internationally. You can simply create a transfer online or through the Airwallex app. Business accounts. If you're a business, Airwallex can help you manage your finances more efficiently. They offer a variety of business accounts that can help you track your expenses and save money on international transactions. Now that you know why it's important to know how many currencies are there in Airwallex, let's take a closer look at some of the specific currencies that are supported. Major currencies. Airwallex supports all of the major currencies, including the US dollar, the euro, the British pound, and the Japanese yen. Emerging market currencies. Airwallex also supports a number of emerging market currencies, such as the Chinese yuan, the Indian rupee, and the Brazilian real. Cryptocurrencies. Airwallex also supports a number of cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. So, no matter what currency you need to send or receive, Airwallex can help you. In addition to the currencies that I've mentioned, Airwallex also offers a number of other features that can make your life easier. For example, you can use Airwallex to pay bills. Thanks for watching.